In today's video, I'll show you how to fix corrupted files on Windows 10 using simple built-in tools that anyone can use, even if you're a beginner. Corrupted files can cause errors, slow performance, app crashes, or strange system behavior. The good news is that Windows has its own repair tools that can scan your system and fix these issues automatically. Let's start with the most important step. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD. When Command Prompt appears, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the repair tools need full system access to work properly. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command runs the System File Checker. It scans all protected system files and replaces any corrupted ones with healthy versions. The scan may take several minutes, so be patient and let it finish completely. If the scan reports that some files could not be fixed, don't worry, we'll use another built-in tool. In the same command prompt window, type DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press Enter. This tool repairs the Windows system image, which helps the system file checker work correctly. After the DISM process finishes, it's a good idea to run sfc/scan now one more time to fix any remaining issues. Once everything is done, restart your computer to apply the repairs. Now, if the problem is with a specific program file, such as a Word or Excel document, you can often fix it directly inside the app. Open the program, go to File, click Open, browse to the file, click the arrow next to Open, and choose Open and Repair. And that's how you fix corrupted files on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.